Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add your child's account on the Revolut app so that your child's account is connected to your Revolut account and you can monitor it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first off, once you open up your Revolut app, to set up your child's account, you would first need to tap on Accounts right here. Then just tap Add New at the bottom. After that, you will be on the new menu right here, and here under the account section, which is the first one, you should be able to see Kids and Teens account. So just go ahead and tap on that. Now, the first step in the account setup process is you would need to provide some info about your child. So their first name, their last name, their date of birth, and their gender. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now, after you inputted the details, just go ahead and tap on continue. Then you would just need to make sure that the details are correct. So you do this by just tapping this. I confirm that this is lawfully true and accurate information. After that, all you would need to do is just tap on create account. Now, after you created the account, you can download Revolut under 18 app and then just log in with the account that you just created. Also, if you want to order a card for your child, you would just need to go to the card section right here and then just tap add new. After that, go ahead and tap on kids right here, and here you would be able to order a physical card for your child. So essentially, that's guys the full guide on how to add, create and order a card for your child on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.